In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync custom folders with OneDrive or OneDrive for Business. This is a quick and easy way to ensure your important files are backed up and accessible from anywhere, whether you're using a personal OneDrive account or OneDrive for Business. So let's dive right in and get started. First, a quick overview of what we'll be doing today. Our goal is to sync a custom folder from your computer to your OneDrive account. This means making sure the folder you choose gets automatically updated across all the devices you use, helping you stay organized and up to date, no matter where you are. To start, open File Explorer on your computer. You can do this simply by clicking the File Explorer icon in your taskbar, or searching for it in the Start menu. Once it's open, navigate through your local files and find the folder you want to sync with OneDrive. Take a moment to decide which folder contains the data you most need to keep backed up and available. Now that you've selected the folder, let's learn how to sync it with OneDrive. Start by dragging and dropping this folder into your OneDrive sync folder. If you're not sure where that is, it's usually located in the Quick Access or Favorites section of your File Explorer window. By placing your custom folder into the OneDrive sync folder, you'll enable it to be automatically copied to the cloud. But what if you want to avoid actually moving the original folder or creating duplicates? This situation is precisely where symbolic links come in handy. A symbolic link essentially acts like a shortcut, creating a link between your original folder and the OneDrive sync folder without the need to move anything. Here's how you can set up a symbolic link. First, you'll need to open Command Prompt as an administrator. To do this, click on the Windows search bar and type CMD. You'll see an option to run as administrator. Click on that to open the command prompt window with the necessary permissions. With the command prompt open, you can use the mklink command to create your symbolic link. The command looks like this, a make link D. Be sure to replace the placeholder text within the quotation marks with the actual paths to your OneDrive folder and the local folder you want to sync. This command tells Windows to associate your local folder with the one in your OneDrive, keeping everything synchronized. After you've entered the command and replaced the placeholder paths with your actual folder paths, your custom folder will begin syncing automatically with OneDrive. With this method, you get the best of both worlds. All of your